Good morning.
Good morning, Tikimi. You sleep well?
Yes, I feel big and strong. You are still small.
No, I am big now. See, small boy.
No, bed is shaking.
Bed is not shaking, you are. I will stand again.
Look, I stand.
Good job. Cat, he wants to say good morning.
Why cat wake early? Animals wake early to play and eat. So, cat is hungry?
Yes.
Then we must help cat.
Hey, why you push me?
Catch me if you can.
Come back here.
I am fast.
No, I am faster.
No, you are not.
Yes, I am.
Can't catch me. Just you wait.
Good morning, children. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Dad.
Why are you running?
I pushed Tammy. He started it.
No, I was playing.
Pushing can hurt someone.
When we play, we must be gentle
Why gentle?
because we care about each other.
I don't want to fall again. Sorry, Tammy. It's okay. Mom, what do kids do in morning?
That is a very good question, Say. First, we clean our body.
What do kids do first? I know, we eat first.
No, we brush teeth first.
Before food?
Yes, to keep them healthy.
I take first.
No, that is mine.
You are slow. I am not slow.
We share and take turns
Why brush teeth?
to keep teeth clean and strong.
So no germs.
Look at me. You look funny. You too.
Hey, come back! Catch me again! Wow, so messy. It's okay.
No, not Oak.
Leave it.
Yes, leave it.
No, we clean it.
Why clean house?
So we can live safely.
So no falling?
Yes.
I do it quickly.
No, do it well.
It's the same.
No, it's not.
I do it quickly.
No, do it well.
It's the
We
snot.
clean slowly and carefully
Why slow?
so things stay in place.
Oh.
Cat, no. He is playing. He is spoiling.
Animals also need guidance.
Cat is like us?
Yes, learning every day.
We did it!
Yes.
What next? Look, hen! She is hungry. Why feed hen?
Animals need food to live.
Like us?
Yes.
So we help them.
Again? Run! I will catch you. I am fast again.
No, I am faster. Playing is good. Yes.
But we must be careful.
Yes, Mom.
Why careful?
So no one gets hurt.
Oh.
I like today.
What do we do next?
Let's go inside and learn more.
Wow, food.
I want to eat.
First, we prepare food.
Not eat first?
We wash food first. Why wash food?
To make it shiny.
To remove dirt.
Water fun.
No, do it well.
Hey,
No, it's not.
We play later, now we focus.
Okay. I am doing well.
Again! Catch me!
I am super fast!
No, you are not.
Yes, I am!
We'll see about that. I'm winning!
No running in the kitchen.
Why no running?
You can fall and get hurt.
Oh. So kitchen is not for running.
Can I cut?
Yes, we can.
No, sharp things are for adults.
Why?
It can hurt your hands.
I don't want hurt.
Good.
Now we eat. Yes.
Why sit to eat?
It's good for our bodies to sit and enjoy our food.
And we get to talk as a family. So we eat safely and neatly.
I sit well. Me too.
Wait! Why wait?
Because I say so.
No, that's not how it works.
We wait so everyone is ready.
Yes. Food is nice. Yes. You again.
Catch me!
I am winning. No, you are not.
No running while eating.
Why?
You can choke.
That is bad.
I will sit.
Me too. I am full.
What now? We wash plates.
Again work?
Why wash plates?
So they look nice.
So they are clean for next time.
No splashing!
It's fun.
We are working!
It's fun.
Fun later, work now.
Okay. I did it.
What is this?
Folding clothes.
I know how.
That is not right. Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
We fold neatly so clothes stay good.
Why neat?
So we find them easily.
Now I do it well. Yes.
Hey, again!
Catch me.
You cannot catch me. I am too fast. I run like wind. No, you are not faster than me.
I am coming. Wait.
You are slow, very slow.
I'm close now. I will catch you this time. You stopped. I almost fall again.
You were too close. I had to stop.
You always do this. You push and run.
But it is small fun. But be careful.
It is time to clean your body now.
We already brushed teeth. Why clean again?
To look nice and shiny.
Yes, and to remove dirt from your body. Yes, so we wash after playing.
So if I don't wash, dirt stays on me?
Yes, and that can make you feel uncomfortable.
I don't want dirt on me. I want to be clean. Water again. I like this part.
Wait, we must do it well, not just play.
You always say that.
Because we are learning now.
Okay, small play, then
Wash
learn.
gently like this, not too fast.
Why gentle again, like before?
Yes, gentle keeps your body safe.
So no hurting ourselves. Exactly.
I do it slowly, like this, see?
Yes, I see. I will do the same.
Now you are doing it right.
I learn fast. Hey, you splash me.
Now you are more clean. Now you will be more clean. Cat is watching us.
He wants to join.
No, Cat does not like water.
Water is for cleaning, not too much playing.
Why not play too much?
Because you can slip and fall. Like before, when we almost fall. Yes.
I feel clean. My body feels nice.
Yes, I like this feeling too.
Do we always wash every day?
Yes, we clean every day to stay healthy.
So clean body is healthy body?
Yes, very healthy.
I like healthy body.
Now we draw.
I draw better than you.
No, I draw better. Look, I draw a big circle.
That is not a circle. Yes, it is. No, it is not.
Both of you are learning
Why do we draw?
to help your brain grow and think.
So drawing makes us smart?
Yes,
You again. You never stop.
Catch me again if you can.
What are you doing, Dad?
I am fixing this broken toy.
Why fix it?
When something breaks, we fix it so we can use it again.
So we don't throw it away?
Yes, we take care of our things.
That is good too.
I'll step Angumus Agreemore. Now it works again.
Wow, thank you, Dad.
We must take care of toys now.
Yes. No breaking again. Cat again. He wants to play too. Catch me. I am tired. Me too.
We did many things today.
Yes, many.
you are learning well. We listen.
Why listen to parents?
Because we guide you safely. I understand now. Me too.
I understand now.
Me too.
You did very well today.
We learned many things.
What do we do next? How about a game? Yes, a game! What do we do next now? We cleaned, we ate, we played. What again?
Maybe we rest.
Or maybe we do something fun again. I want more fun!
After a busy day, we can also learn quietly.
Learn again? We already learned many things.
Yes, we worked a lot today.
And learning never stops. What is inside the book? Is it story? Is it pictures?
Yes, stories and pictures that teach you. I like stories.
Stories help you understand the world around you.
Like what we did today?
Yes, just like today.
So today is like a story?
You again! You never stop doing that!
It is fun. Last chase.
Yes, last chase! I am still fast, even when I am tired.
No, we are both slow now.
Yes, but still fun. Why?
I am tired now, but I feel happy inside.
Yes, today was a big day. Many things happened.
You both did very well today.
Did we do everything right? Did we learn well?
Yes, you learned and you listened.
Why is learning every day important?
Because every day helps you grow and become better.
So, learning makes me grow?
Yes.
And you also learn to care, help, and be kind.
I like helping. I too.
We cleaned the house, we helped, we learned, we played.
Yes, we did many good things.
Will we do this again tomorrow?
Yes, every day is a new adventure.
Another home adventure.
Cat is tired too.
Yes,
He played all day.
When we live together, we help each other.
Yes.
I feel good. I feel happy.
That is because you did good things today.
I will always listen.
That is good.
I will not push too much again.
Only small play. Yes, small play. Cat is sleeping.
Time to rest soon.
Sounds good.
Yay, story time! I am sleepy.
Aw, time for bed soon?
Me too. Yawn.
Okay, let's get you two tucked in. Let's get ready for rest.
Today was fun.
Yes, very fun.
Good night.
Good night.
They did well today.
Yes, they are learning.
Every day at home is a new adventure when we learn, help, and care.